respected principal sir, guests, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Manushika Sharma and today I am here to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. Proud to be a part of independent India. We are the largest democracy all over the world today. Unity in diversity is the specialty of Indians. Being proud to be a citizen of our country, we can never forget the importance of 15th of August in our history. This day India celebrates freedom. It is a day to celebrate our freedom by paying tribute to our freedom fighters who eventually lost their life and gives the sacrifice, love, bravery and patriotism for their mother nation and gifted us a beautiful free India. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August. India got freedom from the British rule in 1947. Independence Day is one of the most honorable celebration of our nation. We can tribute for our country and freedom fighters who can lost their life, like as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lokmanya Tilak and thousands of people. Thousands are laid down, that's why today we breathe in this day. A person who sacrificed his life for the freedom of our country. He applied the nose and hung himself for the freedom of our country. Yes, I am talking about the Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. His dream was to show our country as a free India and can even die for his dream. चिंगारी आज़ादी की सुलगी मेरे जश्न में है, इंकलाब की ज्वालाएं लिपटी मेरे बदन में है। मौत जहां जन्नत हो ये बात मेरे वतन में है, मौत जहां जन्नत हो ये बात मेरे वतन में है, कुर्बानी का जज्बा जिंदा मेरे कफन में है। Every year we celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day is the mark of end of British rule in India and a pathway to free country. We celebrate this day with very honestly and very full of enjoy. Independence Day. We can always remember this day not with the celebration of our freedom. We can celebrate this day. In the end, we can say that the Independence Day is just not a day to celebrate our freedom. It is a day to learn all the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. No other sacrifice can be higher than the sacrifice given to your motherland. In the end, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, चिंगारी होगी रोशनी को जलाए रखना। ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की हमने, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। जय हिंद, जय भारत। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल। थैंक यू।
अब मैं एकल गीत हेतु बहन आंचल को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ, जिसके बोल है क्रांति का यह पर्व आया ज्ञान का संदेश लेकर। क्रांति का यह पर्व आया ज्ञान का संदेश लेकर। क्रांति का यह पर्व आया ज्ञान का संदेश लेकर। ज्ञान का संदेश लेकर, ज्ञान का संदेश लेकर। क्रांति का यह पर्व आया ज्ञान का संदेश लेकर। गहरे तम की निशानी थी, भोर आया भाग्य लेकर। दे रही संदेश जग को, प्रकृति भी करवट बदल कर। प्रकृति भी करवट बदल कर। छोड़ तंद्रा पड़ो कर्म